Hey guys! As you guys can tell by the title, today we're doing an update on this COVID vaccine. I just got my dose number 2 for this vaccine, and well, we're gonna find out what happens. Literally, I just got the vaccine about 30 minutes ago. It's currently 1:53, but I got this vaccine around 1:30, and they require you to wait there for about 15 minutes just in case you have an allergic reaction, just like the first dose. Same protocol and everything. So I waited there, and now I'm feeling fine, but I feel like my arm felt the injection a little bit more this time than it did last time. I don't know if it's in my head or not, but right now it feels fine. Maybe he just injected it too fast. Just to rewind a little bit for my first vaccine, I didn't have any symptoms. The only thing that was very normal, of course, was a very sore arm for about 24 hours or so. And the next day I went to work out, and after I worked out, my arm was completely fine. There wasn't any soreness left, which is kind of wild how that worked. I'm mentally prepared for the side effects only because my nurse friend Julie in California, she's an ER nurse, and she had her vaccine maybe about 3 weeks ago, her second dose, and after her second dose she felt very malicious and basically uneasy, uncomfortable. She had a fever that was 99, and then it went to the next day, it was about 100 or so. She felt very uncomfortable, but after 48 hours she was completely fine, which is great to hear. And then she had, full immunity, 95% immunity. So that is from my nurse friend. And then I have a nurse friend here in Georgia. She felt a fever and also felt a fever, hot and cold flashes, but after a day she was fine. And then I have another friend who is a pharmacist. He felt 50, he said it like a few hours later he had a fever, and then he was sensitive to touch. He had some hot and cold flashes, a little bit of a chill, and just basically he napped it off. He didn't take any Tylenol or any sort of medication. My other two friends before then did take Tylenol, but my pharmacist friend, he didn't take anything at all. And then the next day he felt completely fine. He felt so fine that it was almost unbelievable he had symptoms in the first place on that day of the shot. So what I'm doing right now is mentally preparing myself just for these symptoms later tonight. If I do feel these hot and cold flashes, I'll be in bed. I don't have any plans. I'm gonna be straight chilling, and that is that. And I will vlog the moments for you guys so you guys can experience this with me. If you guys can get the vaccine, I definitely recommend it. I feel like this is like the only way that we're going to stop this virus, unless you're into holistic medicine and not getting better.
I'm just kidding.
But yeah, I definitely recommend it. If you guys can, do it, get out there and do it. Save the world, be a hero, because after this, I now have superpowers. After this, I'm gonna be able to read people's minds. After this, I'm gonna be able to fly. After this, I'm gonna be able to run a marathon. And honestly, after this, guys, I'm going on vacation because I'm tired of being inside the house and not being able to do anything and not travel anywhere. I know of course there's gonna be restrictions, but at least I have the mindset of things are going to be better. It's going to be a relieving mindset. As a hygienist, let me tell y'all this story real quick. Let me tell y'all this story. Yesterday, I was at home and my manager calls me at 12 in the afternoon. You know what she tells me? I was off Thursday, by the way. No, I was off Friday. She calls me and tells me Thursday afternoon, one of my patients went home after I cleaned her teeth. She went to a doctor's office and she tested positive for COVID. And I had been in her mouth the day before. And I'm just like, bro. I just cleaned her teeth. And so anyways, the patient had a rapid test, so now she's doing a nose swab test instead, and we'll find out the results for that in a couple of days, Monday. But I'm going to be vaccinated. I'm already 50% vaccinated when I cleaned her teeth anyway, so it is what it is. But moments like that, it's like, if I didn't have the first vaccine, I feel like I'd freak out even more. Like, great, there's a chance I could have gotten COVID from her because of the saliva in the air. Even though I'm protected, I have 2 masks on and a shield and scrub hats and gowns and everything, the whole 9. But still, it just, getting the vaccine makes you a little bit more at ease, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, I'll keep you guys updated on what's going on if you guys finish this video. If you guys have questions, leave them in the comment below and I'm happy to answer them for you guys. Shout out to people who already gotten the vaccine. Shout out to the scientists that commented on my last video. I appreciate y'all. Anyways, yeah, so I will catch you guys in a few hours. I'll let you guys know what's going on, and yeah.
Much later.
Hi guys, so we're back. Today is the 1st of February, and I am going to try to upload this video today. But yesterday I thought I was going to, today's Monday. So I got my shot Saturday, and Sunday I really thought I was going to, or Saturday night, I really thought I was going to record some symptoms for you guys, and nothing really happened. I'm so blessed because I just feel like I'm like one of the fortunate ones to not have any sort of symptoms after my second shot, because 2 of my nurse friends had a fever and hot and cold flashes after. My pharmacist friend, he had sensitivity to touch, also hot and cold flashes.
Have you ever had a dream that you do
flashes after, and he also had a light fever as well, and I'm so surprised I didn't feel anything other than where the injection site is. I did have a sore arm as well. So I guess that's the most common thing after a vaccine or any sort of shot. You get some sort of sensitivity, but really, other than that, you know what, if I had to be very particular and really pinpoint some stuff, I did wake up Sunday morning extremely tired. I mean, I woke up for a little bit and I was fine, and then I went and like cleaned up some chores, and then around 12 o'clock in the afternoon I got really tired again, and I just felt like my body was, it just felt like I was really up late that night, and I had like a hard workout the day before, something similar along to that. But like around 12 in the afternoon, no, it was around 11, I think it was 11 in the morning, I decided to go back to sleep, and I didn't wake up until 2:30 in the afternoon. So I woke back up at 2:30 in the afternoon, and it was a little groggy. You guys know how, like, if you take a nap in the middle of the day, it feels very just groggy. You just don't feel like the same person. You feel like grumpy. That's how I felt Sunday afternoon. So I kind of wasted my day pretty much. But I think it was, honestly, I really think it was my immune system trying to amp up like what is in my system, and my body just needed some rest. And then after that I was fine, and I woke up today completely normal. I felt super energized today. So I don't know, y'all, I don't know, but I'm very fortunate, very, very grateful that I didn't have any severe symptoms like how some of my nurse friends did. Shout out to y'all for being the heroes of the time. Shout out to these nurses of America, because y'all really out here saving lives after lives. So yeah, I mean, that's really my only update that I have for you guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm here to answer them, and I hope you guys go out there and get these shots. Also, my friend did tell me one of her patients today, my friend who's also a hygienist, she
I just know how I want this beanie. I'm sorry, guys. I keep touching my beanie.
She had a patient today. Her last patient was a doctor, and she had the vaccine about a month ago, and she recently found out she's pregnant. So not saying this vaccine is going to get you pregnant, but the fact that she's still able to get pregnant, because the rumor was that this vaccine can cause some sort of complications with giving birth and your reproductive system, but there's no science to back it up yet as of now because it's such a new vaccine. She was able to get pregnant, so I mean, I'm not too concerned. I'm not going to have kids anytime soon, so there's that. And yeah, let me know what you guys want to know. If you guys have any questions, if you guys want me to ask my patients questions, I'm more than happy to do that for you guys. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was informative. I hope it gave you some insight to the healthcare profession and more trust in this vaccine, because how else are we gonna stop this pandemic?
How? Somebody. Is everybody gonna stay home? Because we know damn well everybody's not gonna stay home.
Give me a thumbs up if you guys like this video. Let your friends know, let your grandma know, let everybody know to get the vaccine. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.